Well, hello scrappers, it's Sunday, September 29th, and today I thought I'd make a video of tearing down a squirrel cage fan out of a furnace. Sometimes these can be kind of a bear. Sometimes you can get the nut out of the other end pretty easy, and other times you can't. Yeah, sometimes you get in here and loosen that up and pull that out, but usually it's kind of corroded, rusty or something, so it makes it hard to get it out of there. If you watched my video from last week where I tore down the dryer, you saw I used that Craftsman chisel there. It's got that kind of special tip. I'm not sure how well you can see it, how the lighting's showing up there, but it looks pretty dark in the monitor. I'll try to put a link at the bottom of the video. There's nothing else. There's a link at the bottom of the video on the dryer. But what I do is just tougher metal. Oh yeah, plug your ears. This is a little loud. Turn your volume down. That comes out pretty good that way. It's actually been a couple years since I've done one of these. Actually, side cutters might have worked better. I could just got in there and cut them. I have taken the saws on all of these. There you go. I was just using chisel too. And the chisel works pretty good. Again, once I get to there, get in there and just cut this shaft off there. Chances are I couldn't have got into it anyway. Toss that back in the still. There's the motor. Now all I got to do is pull all the hardware off of that, and then I'm into the copper. So, if you like my videos and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button. I try to put one out every week. If you have any questions about tearing anything down, leave it in comments. If there's anything you'd like to see me tear down, go ahead and comment on it. I'm trying to come up with something every week, something fairly unique, so that something that's going to help you and help other scrappers. If you know an easier way than this, go ahead and leave comments. I mean, I can try to help everybody out. So I guess I'll say goodbye for now. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another video. Bye bye.